So now we're going to talk about creating categories from our codes. We've got a number of codes already for our data bits. We have some of them that have 3 codes. So let's take a look at our first one here with our regional pastor. Notice it's already selected. It has 3 codes. So in order for us to move the codes together, cluster them into categories, we need to first make 3 different codes of them. So we're going to do that by copying. First we have to do insert. So we'll do insert below. So, and let's just go ahead and make a second one. So we'll do insert below that. So we're going to do copy and then paste. And then we'll do copy and then we'll do paste. Okay, so the first one we've got is autonomy in performing my job. We don't need that in the next ones because we're going to select for code 2, part of a team, and code 3, develop an apprentice or assistant program. So let's just take this out, autonomy and autonomy. Now we've got part of a team we'll choose as the second one. So we're taking this out. We'll take this out, and now we'll take out part of a team. So now we've got the very same data bit coded 3 different ways. So the next thing we want to do is, again, cluster. So we're going to look for our first code, autonomy in performing my job. So let's scroll down and look for autonomy. Oh, here we go. We've got a business trainer and consultant. So we've got autonomy in performing my job. Notice we have a little hand here. We can move this up, and we're going to put it right here. And that's what we're going to do with all of the autonomy in performing my job that we can. And then we're going to look at them. We're going, and if there are some others that are similar to autonomy. So let's go down and see if we see anything else that also looks like autonomy. We've got here support direction, or a positive direction and support. That's not quite autonomy, but we've got another positive direction and support. So let's go ahead and move that one up. So now they're together. And we've got empowered to perform my job. So positive direction and support, empowered to perform my job, they're similar. So let's move them together. We don't know whether it's possible that we will have an umbrella that we will be able to use as one category for that. So let's just say that we do. And so let's say that our category is, notice that we've got category here. So let's go down to positive direction and support, and empowered. So we'll say here, let's take the caps off, support and empower. How about we'll say supported and empowered. And we'll go ahead and make sure that we have the wrap on that. Okay, so we do want the wrap. And why isn't that wrapping? There we go. All right, now we've got that. And so we want to do that same thing in each of these. And let's just look down here and see if we saw, okay, empowered to do my job. So let's put that up. Oops. right there. Okay, so we're going to grab this. And so that's the way that we are going to move from just codes to categories. So go ahead and code. Go ahead and move those codes into categories. See how far we've gotten here. It looks like we're pretty far. Dynamite. We have a few more left to go here. And I guess we've got a few at the bottom, but we're getting there. Everyone, great. Great, great, great. So let's finish up the coding, and then let's go ahead and begin that categorizing. And the categorizing, from there, we move into themes. So let's categorize tomorrow, and then we'll begin to build themes on Sunday. So, and then we will kind of let this go until the next time, until Unit 8, when we are going to then move into our second set, our set 9, and we'll see if we can't even do this a little bit faster. But you guys are doing great. I'm very impressed. So let's continue.